Just imagine a smart body googling any question for you and giving instantly as a short summary. Wow, it sounds like your personal genie. And guess what? It's totally free. They call it perplexityai, and in this video we'll check it out if it's that good. Alright, enough talking, let's hit the road and make that test drive. Let's go to Perplex. Okay, let's find it in Google. Yeah, that's right. Let's ask it a super tough question that only a legit AI can answer. Can I marry my cat? I cannot. Bad news, cat lovers. Okay, let's find out what it's designed for. What are the use cases for Perplexity AI? Alright. Number 1 is researching, so I'm in. Give me papers on the impact of cat memes on productivity. Alright. Yes! I knew it! There must be connection. Perplexity shows us where the information comes from. No more AI hallucinated bullshit. Love it. They say it only gives what it can cite. But hey, how do we know the source of information wasn't bullshit? I don't know. Let's see if we can use it to understand how ChatGPT works. Oh, it looks like he couldn't provide links to the papers. Instead, we got link to blog. Another question, what is the cost of living in Boston? And we got some numbers and irrelevant images. Now let's highlight the things I appreciate the most in this service. First, UX design is super human-centric. All you have to do is tap away, no need to struggle with rephrasing questions. You don't need to adapt to the system, learn some specific approach or buy some fancy list of top-secret ChatGPT prompts. Everything is done for you. It just asks you for clarification, learn from your answer, and give you spot-on solutions. They call it co-piloting, and it's the star of the show. Another great aspect is a clean and simple environment, free from overwhelming information like maps, images, videos, suggestions, and finally, there is no ads. You might be wondering, what is the practical use cases of this service? It can solve math problems, plan your travel route, and even write code for you. But don't get fooled. When it comes down to it, the results can be pretty mediocre, in my opinion. And hey, if you subscribe to my channel, I will tell you what the problem is. I'm just kidding, I will tell you anyway. While the math solutions are correct, they appear poorly formatted and struggle to compete with the Wolfram Alpha service. I don't think the trip planning feature is good because it doesn't tell me how long each part takes, what the landmarks look like and how much it will cost. The code looks nice when it's done, but it doesn't keep track of my code history like other coding tools such as Codinium or Git Copilot. So yes, this tool has some limitations, but what do you want from them? They're working on it just for 2 years, so let's wish them luck in competition with Google and Microsoft and OpenAI.